Here we are in the store. Oh, Annabelle. I need just 5 minutes. Here's your bottle, sweetie. I just have to take fresh eggs, milk, brown sugar, flour, and some fruits. Bananas and strawberries. Now we need to measure how much the bananas weigh. Okie doke. Okay, Bella, let's collect the products in the shopping basket and go to the checkout. Hello, ma'am. $24, please. Hello, friends. That's our home. Let's turn on the TV. How about tidying up the kitchen, guys? Cutting board, grater, measuring spoons, and a big cooking spoon. Smells like a delicious hot soup. Yummy. Here we are with Bella. Well, let's take out the purchases. That's our bananas and strawberries, our brown sugar, flour, milk, and eggs. Let's put them in the refrigerator. We must not forget to wash the fruits. Here, we will put the fruits and vegetables, like green salad, carrots, and fresh garden salad, lasagna, bacon, blackberry pie, butter, eggs, milk, apple juice, sparkling water, strawberry sparkling water. Here we got frozen TV dinner with macaroni, chicken, and beef. Orange ice pops and vanilla ice cream. Come on, Bella, it's time to cooking. Sit in your baby chair. Before I start cooking, I always put on an apron so I don't get my clothes dirty. Turn around, please. Now we are ready to prepare our breakfast. Well, guys, for breakfast we will prepare cupcakes. So we need 2 eggs, 1, 2, 3 spoons of sugar, flour, and milk. Now let's mix everything. Now the cupcake mixture is ready to put in a basket dish. It's time to put the cupcakes in the oven to bake. Look at these cupcakes, guys! They smell so yummy! First, we'll put them in the little color cups: pink, blue, yellow, and blue. One for Bella and one for me. Milk is a great finish. One glass for me and one for Bella. Let's start eating. Enjoy your breakfast, Bella.